So I got an inspection today on Jeep Grand Cherokee HEMI SRT8 Auto. So it's a 2018 nearly, just a few days. It's registered 2017 December, right? So I can call it 2018. And let me just find this place. So it's a 6.4 litre. I got a premium inspection on this car, so I just can't locate this seller. Just say they're in a different location where I assumed it will be. So let's just turn here. Yeah, Silso Prestige Motors. Let's just have a look. So it's a 2018. This is gonna be 9 years old. So looks like quite a big place. I just stop here. Oh, about how you doing?
Which car are you here to see?
The Jeep SRT.
SRT, you're here to have a viewing of the car, yeah?
An inspection on it.
Oh, inspection, yeah?
Yeah, it's been booked in. So where's the best thing to park for time being?
Just there with the BMWs on the left-hand side. SRT is there right in front of it. I'm going to get you the
Oh
key
yeah, I
card,
can see. Can we have a look on the paperwork first? Service history.
You've got full service history if you want to see it.
Yeah, I want to see everything. Yeah, yeah, V5C, service history, anything what you have.
Quickly park here.
Yeah, sure.
Come back here.
And I'll come back. Yeah. Do you mind if I record arrival process? Thanks. I'm just asking permission. So let's just park. I can see the car. We'll just park it on the front. It'll make life easier. Either way, I can just reverse in here, so it's plenty of room. So let's just have a look on something. So we're looking at technical data. So it's naturally aspirated 6.4 engine with push rods on valve gear. The average fuel consumption, extra urban 29.4, urban 20.3. No, that's liters. Consumption urban code 13.9, combined 13.5 liters. And combined, I mean, that's liters of kilometers. So it's consumption combined 20.9 liters. 20.9, sorry, mpg combined, and in a city 29.4 extra urban. I mean, city is 13.9 mpg, combined is 20.9 mpg, and extra urban when you're driving on motorways, 29.4. Okay, let's go have a look. So that's the car. Go have a look on the paperwork. Some sort of weird color. Visually, for the 9-year-old car, looks good. I'm sure it had some bodyworks and the trims. But yeah, let's just go have a look. It's open already. Nice and clean. Some general wear. Bloody sandpaper. Sandpaper. Somewhere. Never forget. Yeah, he's got paint. Said it's been painted. That's some bodywork. Okay. You know, when you're buying the cars, you know, they will never be perfect. The older they get, the more likely they will have more bodyworks carried out due to the nature. The cars, it's just cars, right? You can just crash it anywhere, scratch it, somebody can vandalize it. That's just life. Leave emulation. Hi.
Service history.
Thank you.
So it's got one service that's booked with G this month.
Okay.
Yeah, but the rest is all day.
Cool. Do you have V5C as well? How many keys do you have?
2 keys.
Two keys. Can I have a look on the V5C as well, please?
Yeah, I've literally questioned it.
Do you have physical V5C or you need to reapply it?
No, we don't need a physical V5C. So what we do is we got the reference number, we let you carry out the new keeper slip, and we send over the DVLA, we send over the new logbook. So you don't get this logbook anyway.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Do you have the page where the VIN number is? Copy of it. You just have the front.
Yeah, do you want the VIN number? VIN number is going to be either on the front or the gate for you from the system.
If you go. Are you guys busy?
Yeah, very busy today.
Saturday.
Yeah. No, we just had a lot of bookings for today, that's the thing.
Alright.
Do you want the VIN number to it?
If you've got it handy, I don't.
Yeah, they're on the system.
It's just would be good to have a copy of the other.
Now, do you know what it is? Customers, yeah, they are far away from us, so whenever they have like a private reg or something in the car, they just send a picture of the logbook to us, that's it. So it was on a private plate, JEZ9579 previous. So when he took that off, he just sent a picture of the logbook to us, that's it. So the VIN is 1C4. Shall I write it?
Just a second.
Yeah, that's the VIN number. 1C4 RJFH J4 GC 501745.
Cool. So I'm just double checking for the reference.
Yeah.
So they have two keys. The last service done on 22nd of November 2022. Change 19, 20, 21, 22. Do you have a spare key? I will check both keys and I will give you one back.
Yeah, I'll give you the other key.
On the paper,
So this is going to be a premium inspection on it. So long-winded. Long-winded inspection. We'll give this fella to sign it. Cool. Thank you. I will give you to sign my form. Your name is Jack?
Aiden.
Aiden. Just need your scribble in there. You can put your name in. I think they put Jack in it. Cool. Thanks, Aiden. What's your road test policy? Once I'm done with it, do you want to come with me, or I can just put trade
Road
plates
test?
and go?
No, one of the guys are gonna come with you. So
Okay.
if you just pop back into
I will
the
let you
office-
know when I'm ready.
Yeah.
No problem. Thanks.
No
I will
worries.
crack on. I would assume the customer haven't seen the car, right?
No.
I haven't.
Probably send videos over and stuff, but not in person.
All right. So let me go and crack on. Just thought we would look more impressive than just an ordinary Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm not a great fan of them, but the wheelbase looks wider. All right, let me crack on. If you're buying a car, always make sure you check it, right? You always get your money back because there's always something wrong with it, you know? And even if there's nothing wrong, you're paying the right price, you know? Because every car on the market is not as described and has problems or issues, smaller, larger, but issues.